Welcome to English in a Minute. Gears are found on many machines and vehicles. Gears help them change speed, like on a bicycle.
Switch gears.
So, is this a biking expression? Let's listen.
Jonathan, what are you doing?
I'm reading this book for English class.
Well, now it is time to switch gears. We have to memorize all these lines by tonight.
All right, I am switching gears.
In English, switching gears means you have moved on to something else, a different job, or a different subject. This expression is based on the idea that a machine or vehicle will change speed when you change the gears. And that's English in a Minute.